Hello viewer, welcome to my channel. This is my second video on making of custom jQuery plugin. In this video I'm gonna show you how we can create a custom jQuery plugin that can return any kind of value that you want to return, like object, list, string, and whatever you want. So what will be the output of my today's video? Here we can see I load 10 students information in this combo box. S1, S2, S3 is the name of students, and in bracket I mentioned their role, which is all are 0. So when I click on this set role button, then all those students will load in this combo box with their roll number, and that roll numbers set in that custom jQuery plugin. Now I'm going to click on this button. Here we can see the roll numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's see how we can do it. Let's create a project, ASP.NET Web Application. Okay. Select empty. Okay. Create an HTML page, index.html. First, I'm gonna create our plugin. Plugin function jQuery my plugin as parameter, options, and obviously callback for return values, default settings, extend, list, test property. No need this property for this example. I just declare it for make the concept clear. If default settings dot list equal empty, then set default setting list equal empty array var 0 default settings dot list dot length here I'm gonna set roll numbers of each student. So default settings dot list roll I plus 1. Okay. After role setup, I'm gonna return that list. So if callback not equal null, then return callback status true object equal settings dot list. Done. We can pass any object, list, string, or anything at this position of callback method. Okay, plugin is ready for use. Go to index.html page. Adding jQuery library, and then my plugin.js file. Select student without role, margin right 10 pixel, same as taking another select field, CBO student with role, taking a button, btn set role, margin right 10 pixel, set role. Script type, script document ready. Here I'm gonna check student list, students for word 10 students, students dot push student ID, which is I, student name, name is S plus I, and role at, at initial level all students role is 0. Now I'm gonna set this student list in first combo box, which is CBO student without role, for word student length append option value dot student ID, student name, their role say students dot row. Okay, go to browser, refresh. So first combo box is done. Now I'm gonna call our plugin by clicking on this set role button. Click function, object, list is students, test property. This attribute is not necessary for this example. Now I'm gonna call that plugin, which is my plugin. My plugin, passing that object, function, response. After returning this callback, our return value we will get in this response parameter. So if response dot status true and response dot object not equal null, then that means status, this status, and this object is this one. The student new list response.object first I'm gonna clear all options in this combo box. Now same as this one, paste. Now go to browser, refresh it, click on this set role button. Here you can see the roll number. The format is not looks like good. In plugin, we no need this part. Now open your browser, refresh it. Okay, done. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, then please like, comment and share, and obviously subscribe my channel for new video tutorials. Thank you.